When I say please begin, read aloud the first word in the passage and then continue reading across the line. Keep reading until I ask you to stop. Please begin.
Sugar is used with all types of food. It is found naturally in many fruit and vegetables. Do you know how sugar is made? It is made different way. Depending on the type of sugar, pure sugar crystals are usually made from maple sap, sugar cane, or sugar beets. Maple sugar is brown and made from the sweet tree sap. Pails are hung on the trees and the sap drips into them. Then the sap is cooked until the syrup sugar is ready. Cane sugar comes from the stalk of sugar cane plant.
Thank you. Hello colleagues, this is Dan Harrow. I administered the oral reading fluency assessment to a 5th grade student. The student read 87 words correctly within 1 minute. There were 9 errors. The accuracy rate, well, there were 96 words attempted within the minute, and out of those 96 words attempted, 87 were read correctly. So I took 87 divided by 96, which resulted in an accuracy score of 90.625%. Based on this rate, the text was at an instructional level, with the instructional range being between 90 and 95%. So the 90.625 accuracy score places the student within an instructional level. Did the student have any strengths in fluency? The student's strengths in fluency were accuracy for both single and multisyllabic words. However, students' weaknesses were speed and expression. And reading at the instructional level, there are skill building activities that can be used to improve the student's prosody in really reading the way we speak, in terms of pauses at the correct times, rhythm, intonation, as far as especially with the sentences that are phrased as questions. So the student is at an instructional level. Thank you. Hello colleagues. The 2 other assessments that I conducted with the 5th grader were the core graded high frequency word survey and the San Diego quick assessment. In terms of the core graded high frequency word survey, the student did score at a benchmark level on the grade 4 list, which is the highest list offered. So 24 out of the 24 high frequency words were read correctly, placing the student at a benchmark level in terms of grade 4 high frequency words. On the San Diego quick assessment, so being a grade 5 student, I followed the assessment instructions and started the student with the grade 3 word list. On the grade 3 word list, the student had 0 errors, placing them at an independent level in grade 3. Same thing with the grade 4 list on the San Diego quick assessment. Independent in grade 4 with 0 errors. For the grade 5 list of the San Diego quick assessment, the student had 2 errors, placing them at an instructional level. So I continued to move them up, tested them in the grade 6 word list, where they had 4 errors, placing them at a frustration level for grade 6. So per the instructions, I did not move on. However, I did determine from the San Diego quick assessment that the student was at an instructional level in terms of grade 5